Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome to my YouTube channel NFT James. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest running video. So guys, let's start our today's video without delay. Today I'm going to show you a very good platform which you can earn huge income, and today's site link in my video description. You can click there, open the browser, it will bring into this interface. As you can see, the site name is AMD, and today I will show you how to create account in this platform. So without skip, watch my full video. First of all, you need to register account in this platform. So simply input your email address, put your login password, again put your password. After put your password done, simply put your security password, and the security password are most important. If you forget the security password, you cannot be available for it. So please remember the security password. After you complete the security password, again confirm your security password, and the invited code automatically take it. And after complete the all details, simply click the register button and your account ready for login. My account already ready, so I put my details and click the login option. After I log in this platform, I will show you the all details. You can see the site and about details. You can see the minimum investment are 8 USDT and minimum withdrawal are 2.4 USDT. If you deposit 8 USDT, you can earn regular 2.4 USDT easily. If you deposit 24 USDT, you can earn regular 7.5 USDT. After you read all details, simply click the close icon, and you can see that have a me section. Click the me section, and I will show you how to reach us in this platform. So without this, watch my video. Simply click the reach us option, choose TS 20 USDT, and copy the address. Go to your wallet. I go my wallet, and after you go your wallet, I will show you how to deposit your amount. To simply choose USDT. After you choose USDT, simply click the send option and paste the address. After you paste the address, put the amount, how much amount you are interested for deposit. After your amount successfully done, click the next option, and you can see there have a withdrawal option. You simply click the withdrawal option, and when your withdrawal successfully done, come here and click the recharge completed button. After you click the recharge completed button, your deposit are successfully done. Simply click the back icon. Again, back icon, you can see my deposit already added, and you can see that I have a quantify option. So simply click the quantify option, and you can watch there have a Bitcoin icon logo. So simply click the Bitcoin icon logo and start the task. Simply click the Bitcoin. After you click the Bitcoin, you can see the start quantify successfully done, and you can see I received 2.4 USDT, and I will show you how to withdraw your money. So click the me section, click withdraw option, and put your amount. I put my amount and go to the your wallet. I go my wallet and at found, click and select deposit option, select USDT, choose TRC20, copy that address, go your platform and paste the address and put your the password. After you put your details, simply click the confirm button, and you can see my withdrawal are already done. I think network error, guys. Again, I click the confirm button, and my withdrawal successfully done. You can see 2.4 USDT detects my balance, and click back icon, and I will show you I receive my withdrawal under 1 minute. So simply I go to my wallet. After I go my wallet, I will show you I receive my withdrawal just 1 minute. So I choose my account. After I choose my account, you can see I receive my withdrawal just 1 minute. You can see withdrawal too much fast, and this platform withdraws too much smoothly and fast. You can simply click the home button, and you can see the site interface. They are fourth most gorgeous and premium platform, and click the quantify option. You can see the quantify option. There are many kind of BAB level 1. There are BAB 1, BAB 2, and BAB 3 almost in here. If you deposit 8 USDT, you can earn regular 3 USDT, many kind of level in here. And if you earn more dollar by referring, simply you can choose there have invited option. You can see there invited friends. Click the invited friends, and copy the link and share your social media, and you can earn a lot of money by the share. And click the back icon, and if you face any kind of problem, you can simply contact the customer service. And you can see there are many kind of language available: English, Portugal, Bangladeshi, Arabic, and many kind of language available. You can choose your personal language. And if you face any withdrawal issue or any something issue, simply click the customer service icon. You can see their customer details available, and click the customer contact service and talk to there and solve your problem. And guys, I did not force anyone deposit here. This is your own choice. So until today's video, see you next another running video, guys. Take care.